Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fit another Starline i96 Stealth Pro on this Audi A8 2019. So how the system works is every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, if he starts the vehicle up, goes through his push sequence. On here we've done something very basic. So 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, and select a gear. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. If the customer was to jump in the vehicle, or someone was to clone this particular key and jump in the vehicle and try and start it, as soon as we select a gear, the car will just switch off. So I'll show you how it works now. So let's just start the vehicle now. So ignition on, start the vehicle up. There you go, it's actually become immobilised straight away. So ignition on, start the vehicle, select a gear. There you go, vehicle's cut out. Okay, and these are all the error codes that will come on to confuse the thief. So basically, every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, main ignition on, disarm sequence, 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, and then just cycle the ignition off and on this particular vehicle now. There you go, melody, start. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. If the customer wanted to change the code, this is also very straightforward, and the way he would do that is main ignition on, push sequence, disarm, melody is heard, then hit one of the buttons on network 5 times, cycle key off and on, 5 bleeps, and then go through your push sequence. So main ignition on, disarm the system, 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go. Then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off, key back on. There you go, 5 bleeps. Let's just go on the top one for now, but we can go there, whichever. But we're going to do this just for a basic video. So there you go, you heard 3 bleeps for 3 presses. Wait for confirmation. And repeat. Wait for confirmation. There you go, that's the new code now learnt. So now if we actually wait, give it 10 seconds, turn the ignition on, go through the push sequence, receive our melody, then you can see we've changed the code. So I think about 10 seconds now. So ignition on, push sequence, 1, 2, 3. There goes our melody, start the vehicle up. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. If you want to take the car for a service, this is also very straightforward. And the way you do that is main ignition on. We didn't leave it long enough, so let's leave it about 10 seconds. It's about 10 seconds now, so main ignition on. Disarm the system, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, key on. There you go, 2 bleeps, it's now in valet mode. So this will act like a normal car, you can move it around, it won't jump out of valet mode on a given speed. So if you wanted to take it out of valet mode now, it's really simple. So just main ignition on, insert your code, double bleep, it's now out of valet mode. Really simple, really straightforward. So now obviously when I start it, if I give it about 10 seconds, you'll see it'll be immobilised and it sees that it needs to see the push sequence. So let's just start the vehicle. So again, 1, 2, 3, melody, and select your gear. Really simple, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.